What's up, next leaders? Roger here to help you systemize and automate your business so that you can capitalize on your unique gifts. Today I want to talk about connecting both Elementor, WordPress Elementor, and Activecampaign, the email marketing system. How do you make them work nicely together? I will show you in this video, because the process is actually pretty simple, but you need this to, for example, give away your sexy lead magnet. Stay tuned to look how this is working. Before we dive in, I want to thank you for watching, and this month will be sales and marketing funnel months here on the channel. So stay in the loop by ringing that bell and subscribing to the channel. I want to keep things really easy today for you. How do you connect those both really cool systems? Elementor is a great way to design and build your WordPress website on a really almost zero tech experience needed. Activecampaign is a system to keep your audience engaged and make personalized email messages. How do you connect them both? How do you make those systems work nicely together? Because you want to give something away, like a lead magnet for exchange for an email address. You want to provide value and you want to make the system really nice and smooth. Let's dive in to show you how this is done. Okay guys, welcome on my screen. The first thing we need to do to connect both systems is we need the API key of Activecampaign. If you log in and go to settings and next to developer, you will see here the API URL and the API key. Copy both and go to your WordPress website. Log in, go to settings and select integration. So if you need to, of course, to have Elementor installed, go to Elementor settings, integrations, scroll down and go to API key. I have already filled my API key here, but if I haven't done that, I paste the API key here, go to the URL, copy and paste. Validate the API key. Let me see how this is working. Yes, okay, works. And then we're ready to create a form. And first, of course, then we need a page to put the form on. So we're going to pages. We are creating a new one. And I will be editing this page, of course, with Elementor. So I will say edit with Elementor. And next thing is Elementor is starting up, starting its engine. You will see a new page here with my current navigation, current footer, and I'm also now able to insert my own template. So that's, of course, really nice. And I have one template in mind. It's the offer box I've created earlier. I can get a preview of this. Yeah, it looks something like this. So with a button, with some bullets and text. So I like this type of design, inserting that. And if you haven't got a template yourself at that moment, let me show you. You're on the same screen here. You will be able to like insert a page, of course, from Elementor, or maybe a blog, because there will be also like blogs that have perhaps forms in it. If you haven't got like your own design, of course, you can also use the Elementor styles. Just plus here, use a blog or use a page and put it in. So that's of course a cool option if you haven't got your own design yet. So I have it here. At this moment, I would say, yeah, download my Activecampaign toolkit. So in info about the kit, what is included, and I will say, of course, here I will put something that's in the toolkit, of course. And next is press here. So I pressed here on the little blocks here, and I will search for form, insert the form and drag it into the site. So instead of this big button at the moment that I will be removing, and I have now a simple form that I'm able to edit. So I just pressed on it or pressed on the pencil here. I don't need a message. The form is called Activecampaign Toolkit opt-in. It's not necessary to call it all that, but I just like to name the things I have here. I don't need the label. So I'm hiding that. And I can also, of course, download the kit. And of course, I am able to edit like maybe an arrow to motivate people to go there, download the kit. I'm able to, of course, also design this further if I would like to do that. At this moment, let me just focus on the connecting part. You need to select action after you're submitting. Just cross that email off and add your Activecampaign action. Next, you'll immediately see this Activecampaign thing popping up. API credentials, my default, because I just made the default in the settings of Elementor, and I'm immediately able to select the list I would like to add it to. And then you can use the field mapping to, of course, map this field to that field. So the email is email, first name is name, and yeah, I'm actually already done. I can publish it now. And of course, you're also able to add more fields here that you use maybe in segmentation options when you want to know what is the website URL of this person, or what is the revenue at this moment, or that kind of stuff. You can, of course, add new fields to this form here, and that will be done here at the form field. So you can add new items and connect them to your Activecampaign custom fields. You need those custom fields then, of course, in Activecampaign. All right, this is the connection part. We're now able to publish and get a look on it. So info about the code toolkit, what's included, and I'm now able to try and opt into this new list. Let me see what happens, because I haven't really set like a thank you page or something right now. So I'm able to click download. That is nice, this little gift. The form was sent successfully. All right, we're done now, guys. This is the connection part of Activecampaign. Of course, now it's your part to also check if this is working out, but I'm 100% sure that it's now here in my Activecampaign account, that I'm added to the Activecampaign account, and that I'm added to that list I selected there. Let me show you last thing. If you would like to edit the thank you page, of course, you can go to additional options and edit the message here. The form was sent successful, but you can also use like a redirect to a thank you page. And at this moment, we need to edit an action. Just press R in this box. You will see an option redirect. If you click here, redirect, you can insert the new thank you page URL here. So after then, when somebody now is filling in the form, somebody will go to that redirected page, the thank you page. So guys, this was it. Hope you liked it. You've both connected Activecampaign with WordPress Elementor, and it's working. You're able now to give away your lead magnet. Maybe it's sexy, maybe it's not, but it's working and it's automated. So now you can start things off with maybe a cool follow-up. For example, a sales call with you, or maybe a product you want to promote. It's all possible. Hope you like this video. If you want to know more, let me know in the comments. And if I can help you out with something else, just give me a thumbs up here. Provide me some feedback, some support. I like it. See you later, guys. See you in the next video.